This is an iPhone 15 Pro. Its back glass has been severely shattered, and the frame has also been bumped to varying degrees. And this phone was expanded to 1 terabyte by us 2 months ago. You can see that this phone is also equipped with the DJI Fly app, which means that its owner also plays DJI drones. You can see that the middle frame has indeed had a lot of bumps. The back glass of iPhone 15 Pro is not like the back glass before 14 Pro, which is glued to the middle frame, but is independent. So we just heat the back glass directly to remove it. If we can't use a suction cup, we use this ultra-thin disassembly sheet that does not damage the middle frame to pry a gap in the back glass, and then use a plastic disassembly sheet to slide around the back cover. Since the back cover is broken more seriously, we must slowly open the damaged back glass. We protect the rear camera. From here you can see that there is also a flex cable on the back glass connected to the motherboard. After we disconnect the cable, we can remove the back glass, which integrates wireless charging, rear flash and rear microphone. We will clean up all the remaining broken glass shards. At this time, we use a vacuum cleaner to suck out the dust and fine broken glass shards. Then clean up the remaining broken glass shards in the corners. Next, we will clean up all the glue. This back glass only has glue around the edges, which is very similar to the waterproof glue of the screen. After cleaning up the large residual glue, we will deal with the details. Only when these residual glues are cleaned very cleanly can the airtightness be restored if the glue is applied again, and the fit can be more perfect after pressure maintenance. Finally, let's observe it. Finally, we apply a new waterproof glue to it. It should be noted that back glass now need to run diagnostics if using official original back glass, but the price for original new one is really expensive, so we usually choose the original used back glass. We cleaned the glue of the used back glass. And now as long as the iOS 18 system with this original used back glass, we can also run the diagnosis ourselves, and there will be no pop-up message about unknown parts. After cleaning, we install the back glass, connect the flex cable, fix the screws, and tear off the protective sticker of the waterproof glue. Remove the protective sticker of the rear camera. Clean the dust, close the back glass, and place the phone in the pressure holding tool for pressure holding. After the pressure holding is successful, take out the phone. Fix the two screws at the bottom, and then turn on the phone. Enter the password after turning on. We need to test the function simply. Pay attention to the information prompt. Complete the back glass repair in the settings at this time. We will tell you how to deal with it later. Continue to test all other functions first. When the battery power is charged to more than 20%, click this prompt. We click Configure, and it will restart for configuration. After this configuration, there will be no pop-up message, and there is no need to replace the chip on the back glass. Therefore, replacing with the original used back glass is the best choice right now.